I'm Asia. This is Christina, Jenny, and Jesus. And we're doing our video on the periodic table and how it works.
The periodic table is a list of all the known elements. It is organized by increasing atomic number. There are two main groups on the periodic table, metals and non-metals. The left side of the table contains the metals with the greatest metallic properties. The elements in the middle of the table are called transition elements because their properties change from metallic properties to non-metallic properties. Yeah.
The table is also arranged in vertical columns called groups or families and horizontal rows called periods. Each arrangement is significant. The elements in each vertical column or group have similar properties. The elements in each group have the same number of valence electrons, which determines the element's chemical properties, including relativity. The valence electrons are the electrons on the outermost energy level of the atom. There are 18 groups on the periodic table.
Alkali metals. These metals are extremely reactive. They have one valence electron, same as the group number. They are shiny and silver in color. Their density is extremely low so that they are soft enough to be cut with a knife. Group 2. Alkaline metals. Slightly less reactive than alkali metals. They have two valence electrons, same as the group number. They are silver colored and denser than alkali metals. Groups 3 to 12, transition metals. These metals have a moderate range of reactivity and a wide range of properties. In general, they are shiny and good conductors of heat and electricity. They also have higher densities and melting points than group 1 and 2. Lanthanides and actinides. These are also transition metals that were taken out and placed at the bottom of the table so the table wouldn't be so wide. The elements in each of these two periods share many properties. The lanthanides are shiny and reactive. The actinides are all radioactive and therefore unstable. Elements 95 through 103 do not exist in nature and have been manufactured in the lab. Group 17, halogens. All nonmetals, very reactive, poor conductors of heat and electricity, tend to form salts with metals, examples, NaCl, sodium chloride known as table salt. These elements have 7 valence electrons, group number -10. Grenoble gases. Unreactive nonmetals are all colorless, odorless gases at room temperature, all found in Earth's atmosphere in small amounts. These elements have a full outer energy level, usually 8 valence electrons except for helium. Helium only has 2 valence electrons.